Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you several things throughout our house that we touch on the daily that we should be sanitizing. So if this is something you're interested in watching, stay tuned. So the first thing that we touch on the regular are doorknobs. And this is something I've actually added to my boys' weekly chore list because it's something super simple that they can do. The second area that we frequently touch are light switches. So here I'm just showing Levi how to properly clean it because you don't always just touch the light switch itself, you could touch the whole plate. So I'm just showing him to clean the whole thing. And when there's multiple light switches like this, I just taught him that it's easier to flip them all on, wipe across, and then flip them all off and wipe across. So each week I will have one son clean the light switches while the other goes around the house and does the doorknobs. The third item that we touch every day are remotes, and we very rarely think to even clean or sanitize these. I wouldn't even want to know how many germs are on these. And the fourth item are phones and cell phones. So thumbs up if you have an old school phone like we do. I know a lot of people don't have home phones anymore, but we do just in case of an emergency. But we touch our phones all the time, and I'm sure they're full of germs and bacteria. The fifth item I needed to wipe down in our house was our keyboard. So one area of our house that we do clean frequently are the bathrooms, but a lot of times we use multi-surface cleaners and those do not disinfect. So unless you're using an antibacterial or something with a disinfectant, a multi-purpose cleaner does not disinfect. So it's important to go through and sanitize these as well. So the handles to the sink and the soap dispenser. In the kitchen, on all the appliances that have handles, just wiping these down also to kill any germs or bacteria. Again, a lot of times I use a multi-surface cleaner in this area, but multi-surface cleaners remove dirt but do not kill any germs. And let me assure you, I did go through and change these multi-surface cleaner cloths frequently, so I'm not using the bathroom one in the kitchen. A huge area in our house that we touch regularly is the stairwell banister, so just giving that a good wipe down with the Lysol wipes. And last but not least, this does not involve any Lysol wipes, but remembering to clean your loofah. So here I just have a little bin of hot water and I'm pouring about a half to 3/4 of a cup of white distilled vinegar in there to just sanitize my loofah. Okay guys, so I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye guys.